Andifeze cities Ramwari. Yes, I rise, I stand the truth inside of me. With every heartbeat, I feel the rhythm flow. In this life, I shine, I let the whole world know. Whoa. I shall live and declare the works of my Lord. Feel the fire in my soul, it's a mighty uproar. Handi fe, no handi kwate, kwete manje. In his light I thrive, I won't fade away. Not as long as the Lord lives, I will not die. Handi fe, handi fe, handi siku so far. Handi chadara mama kore mashinji. Bavengi vangu wachaona ndichifamba. Lazarus vachati wamuka. Handi fe, he said, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Whom shall I fear? Oh. Mountains may tremble, rivers may run dry, but my faith will stand tall, reaching for the sky. I'm dancing to the beat of a joyful sound. With each step I take, my spirit is unbound. Mumaoko amwari andi dedere, andi kwate. Not as long as the Lord lives, I will not die. Andi fe, andi fe, andi siku so far. Andi chadarama, bavengi vangu vachaona ndichifamba. Lazarus vachati wamuka. Andi fe, what can mere mortals do to me? I shall live and declare the works of my Lord. Feel the fire in my soul, it's a mighty uproar. Handi kwa kwete manje, kwende manje. In his light I thrive, I won't fade away. Roots run deep, they'll never fade. In my heart his love's ingrained. Let the world hear, let the angels sing. I'm a warrior of light, crowned in everything. Jehovah Yahweh, I shall proclaim with the strength that sets me free. Kwete manje, this is my time to shine. With faith as my armor, I'll always be aligned. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Andikwat, but even when I am afraid, I put my trust in you, Lord. Louis and Ngara on Darshan.